Your church's legacy deserves more than just a simple program. It deserves a tribute that your congregation will treasure for years. Introducing the Black and Gold Souvenir Book Template. This 24-page Canva masterpiece is the perfect way to honor your next anniversary, gala, or pastor appreciation service. Sized at 8.5 by 11, this template offers a polished magazine-style layout with dedicated sections for church history, ministry photos, and heartfelt tributes. Plus, we've included built-in ad spaces and a bonus advertisement selling form to help you effortlessly raise funds for your event. Stop struggling with design and start celebrating your community's impact. Visit Godserv Designs on Etsy and download your template today.